In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Then you can click on Audio at the top, select one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your file, just hold it and hit Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video one, hit Gallery section instead of Files. Click on Folders. Select Albums and look for your video over here. Then click on it to attach it. Now you need to decide if you wish to send it as Google Photos link or low quality video. After you decided, select Add at the bottom right corner. If your video is recent, you can also scroll down, look for it over here, and click on it. Then pick one of those options, but this time select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!